Hi, this is Aurangzeb Alam and you are watching Make Coding Easy YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss how to convert binary, octal and hexadecimal to integer form as well as integer to binary, octa and hexadecimal form. For this, we will use some inbuilt function. These are the inbuilt function which we are going to use for the conversion. First, we will talk about int function. To have some knowledge about int function, we can type help int and we will run this program. This help will tell us each and everything about this int inbuilt function. So here we can read convert a number or a string to an integer or return 0 if no arguments are given. Now we will start using this inbuilt function. First we will convert binary to integer. We know the prefix of the binary is 0 and O. This O can be uppercase or lowercase. Suppose I am taking some example like A is equal to 0B1010. This is a binary number and we have to convert it in integer form. So how we will convert? Print int inside this function we will write A and run this program. See, this 10 is coming, means the value of this binary is 10. Let's take some another example. B is equal to 0B10100. Print int function B. Run this program and we are getting 20. So in this way we can convert binary to integer. Now we will convert octal to integer. We know the prefix is 0 and O. O may be lowercase or uppercase. So let's check some example. A is equal to 0 lowercase o 10. This is an octal number and we have to convert it in decimal form. So print int function A and now run this program. It is giving value 8. Take some another example. B is equal to 0 uppercase O 20. Print int function. Inside int function we will type B and run this program. This is giving 16. So in this way octal is converted into integer. Now we will try to convert hexadecimal to integer. We know the prefix is 0x. Either x will be lowercase or uppercase. Take some example and try to convert hexadecimal to integer. A is equal to uppercase A. Print int function small a. Sorry, 0x. See how to convert integer into binary, octal and hexadecimal. So first begins with converting integer into binary. So we know we have inbuilt function that is bin. To know more about bin, we can check it in help. In the Python console, we see that bin function is returning the binary representation of an integer. So let's take an example and try to convert integer into binary. I'm creating a variable a is equal to 10. I'm assigning 10 values to variable a, and now my work is to convert it in binary. I run this program and see this is the binary representation of decimal 10. Now let's try to convert integer into octal. So we have the inbuilt function that is oct. We can know further more about oct function in help, and here we see that it is returning the octal representation of an integer. We will check how to we will convert some integer in octal by creating a variable a is equal to, suppose I am creating 300 and printing it, print oct a, and run this program. See, this is the octal representation of decimal 300, 00454. Now we will try to convert integer into hexadecimal. We have inbuilt function hex, and hex we will check in the help to know more further about it, and it is saying that it returns the hexadecimal representation of an integer. Take an example and try to convert integer into hexadecimal. I am creating variable name a is equal to 670, print hex a, and run this program and see this is the 0x29e is the hexadecimal representation of variable of decimal 670. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy this video, and do subscribe and share with your friends, and see you in the next video.